How to fix Outlook sync issues. Now, right now I'm currently using my Google Chrome for this tutorial, and I'm using the Outlook web. Now, if you're using the Outlook software, it actually works the same thing. Now, you just have to make sure that you're using the same account as what you backed up or you synced before, so that you won't be able to encounter any other problems rather than the sync issues. Now, first things first is make sure that your Outlook is currently up to date if you're using the software. Now, the other thing that you can do is go to your Windows icon, type in apps and features. From here, you can scroll down and look for Outlook, and then you can also do the search this list. So Outlook right here, click on Outlook and then click on advanced options. Now, if you are encountering that problem and then you think that you don't have any problem about syncing it, you synced it properly, and all you have to do is to repair it first. Click on repair, and if it's still not working, click on reset. Now, last resort is to uninstall your Outlook software if you're using this, and then just try to reinstall it again. So those are basically the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix Outlook sync issues.